Hi all and welcome back. Today we have the first step of the 7 step that we described before to build effective energy management system. The step we have today is we'll be talking about the commitment to continuous improvement, or the top management commitment, and we will see here how this commitment can be reflected into actionable steps to keep the system running. As we said before, why this is important? Because setting the policy, putting the framework to run the system is very important behind any system to run effectively. So setting the policy and hiring or assigning the focal point is very important for any system. So the first step will be nominating the custodian, which in our case will be the energy manager. The energy manager is this guy with a technical background. He understands the energy management system. He could be full-time or part-time job according to the size of the magnitude of the entity or the company. He could be an engineering manager, maintenance manager, process operation manager, or a senior engineer, has this kind of potential or kind of competencies needed. He will report directly to the top management, or in some cases they put MR for him. MR is the management representative. That will be as a link between him and the top management. Actually, he has a long list of duties. I will leave it more in detail in the link for the full article that you'll find it in the description below. But nevertheless, we can mention 3 or 4 main duties, like drafting the energy policy, coordinating, directing energy program. He also will help identifying the opportunities or credible opportunities for the either energy conservation or staff training or increasing the awareness of the staff. Also, he will also obtaining recognition or achievement for the guys who made good proposal or other kind of initiative they have created. As we said, it is not only one-man show. There should be a team. This kind of team will ensure that the system is running more effectively with the buy-in from all other stakeholders. So simply the team will consist of the operation, engineering, utilities, purchasing, building or facilities management, beside the environmental and the contractor and suppliers. So when we make the team mixed of all the stakeholders, we will ensure that all the parties are involved. So whatever kind of action needed will be implemented because there is a focal point for all other stakeholders. Then we need to put down a framework. It could be like terms of reference. It could be committee rules, whatever. This TOR will describe the duties, responsibilities, and the communication procedure required. The third step will be setting an energy policy, and this is very important because it will be the foundation of the success for the energy management. Also, it will formalize or cascade the top or the senior management support to all the guys or all the employees in the company or in the plant. So everyone will be keen to support this kind of initiative. From the good practice, also we should involve all the people or the key people when we are writing down the policy. So we will ensure the buy-in. Also, we should consider the organization culture. So we should not bring something away or strange to the culture of the people. Also, it should be written in a very easy, understandable language for all the people to ensure the message is really going through all the people. Also, it should be well communicated to all the staff. Should be very visible. All the people should encourage to have it or look at it or participate to make it successful. The content really reflecting 4 main parts of the policy. The first part will state the objective. Then the second part will establish accountability. The third part will ensure the continuous improvement, and the last part will be linking energy goals to the overall financial and environmental goals of the organization. Definitely there should be a SMART goal, which is something that can be achieved, or dedicated number where all the people wants to achieve this kind of energy conservation or energy saving with a specific target. We can take one example for policy statement here. Company X here showing their statement that they are promoting efficient use of energy for their services or their production facilities. The first part will improve the energy efficiency continuously in their program worldwide, or whatever was their production facilities. There is a specific goal. Here in our case, it's 12%, for example, reduction in energy consumption, and we will see in the next video how this can be determined, how this can be estimated or determined to be something really credible or can be achieved. And the third part, there is an emphasis on the energy efficiency factor during all the phases, like engineering or buying or whatever was the activity. Then they will encourage the continuous energy conservation for the employees during their work activities or their personal activities at homes. Then they will showing their support to any national energy efficiency policies. Then the CEO will sign this one. If you need more information, you can refer to the original LinkedIn article or my blog, 360 Proactive Engineer blog, if you need more information. And in the next video, we will discuss the energy management steps, step 2, which is assessing the performance. Until I see you there, wish you all the best and see you.